Alhamdulillah. Thanks God, you know. A lot of people underestimate one thing. When they become famous, when they become rich, when they become success, they all beginning to talk about, oh, you know, this is because of my mindset, this is because of I work hard, this is because my business mind is very smart, you know. I'm very strong guy, I can handle anything in the world, you know. That's why I become like very successful, you know, for example. They all talk about this. But what about other millions and millions people around the world who work so hard, but they don't have this position, what I have? It's mean this is test from Allah. This is test from God. He give you this. He wanna test you, how you gonna handle this, you know. And don't make this mistake, guys. Everything come from God, you know. Thank you.